How utilizing natural daylight and views impacts building occupant well-being. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss how connection to the outdoors and utilization of natural daylight to light interiors can influence occupant well-being by reducing stress and increasing productivity among building occupants. Creating a natural connection to the exterior environment while inside of a building helps to reduce stress and increase productivity. This connection can be created through natural light and views of nature. Natural light helps regulate the body's circadian rhythm, while views of nature to the exterior reduce stress levels. These two features typically go hand in hand. Each green building rating system we've talked about so far has areas that correspond to natural connection, daylighting and views, and that healthy look of connecting the exterior to the interior. Many facilities already understand the direct benefits of daylight and views of nature and are taking advantage through the use of the design. Here's a library that maximizes daylight and views to create a very comfortable sitting area and reading area. Some office buildings also know the value of natural daylight. Here's another example of a green building project that incorporates daylight and views. Again, all of these are based on connecting the interior environment with the exterior and creating that healthy building concept. Designing for large spans of glass also needs to allow buildings to take advantage of natural light in new ways. Here are examples of taking advantage of a building's orientation. The northern elevation is never going to get direct sunlight, so the building on the left has a curtain wall that leans inward, allowing more indirect light to come in. The building on the right, the curtain wall is leaning outward because this is southern elevation. So as the wall leans outward, it shades itself, still while allowing greater amount of natural light to the interior. Expanded exterior glazing always has to be concerned with increased solar heat gain. Building with a large amount of glass needs to have either dark tinted glass or highly reflective glass to stop solar heat gain. Those also have negative aspects with them. Reflective glass bounces light back into other buildings and can make it uncomfortable for other people. There are also concerns with the impact it has on turtles and birds. Tinted glass obstructs your view to the exterior and doesn't give you the true natural color. So one of the options we've talked about earlier was shading options. So here you can see a typical projecting shade that's sticking out to the exterior of a curtain wall. You can see how it is blocking direct light, still allowing indirect light to come in, but it's blocking direct light coming out in the exterior. You can see some shading examples here in a project that has shading wrapped all the way around it on the exterior of the building. Often used in connection with sunshades is what we call a light shelf. This is designed to reflect daylighting coming in, taking it deeper into the building. Daylight typically shoots straight in, drops and hits the floor close to the perimeter of the building. But we want to carry daylight deeper to the building. So light shelves like you see here bounce light back to the ceiling and then back deeper into the building, carrying daylight further to the interior. Use the surrounding landscape, improves stress level, reduces computer eye strain, and gives people a distance to focus on, which increases productivity, lowers stress, and increases engagement. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.